Hey car buddies, it's Soulen, your car gear guru. Today let's learn about towing cars safely and quickly. Step 1. We have to find the hook bar in the back of your car. Mostly it will be behind this cover. This is our hook bar. Now let's go to step 2, either at the front or back of our car. There's a tow point. Often it's behind a small plastic cover on the bumper, just like this one. I'm going to use the real bumper. Pop the cover off and then you can screw in your hook bar. See right here? This is where the tow bar goes. Just turn it clockwise until it's tight. Now we can tow our car safely without any damage. I hope this was helpful. Thank you for watching. Bye!